Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your phone model and bootloader state. This avoids mismatches. Once done, backup NVRAM and a full data image so you can recover if needed. Then install ADB and Fastboot on your PC and download the exact firmware or kernel patches designed for the dynamic notch. Make sure Developer Options is enabled, USB debugging is active, and OEM unlock is allowed. Without those, you cannot flash or test safely. You now extract the kernel or compositor module and locate the notch region coordinates. This tells the system where to animate. Next, apply the patch to the status bar compositor or display driver so the notch can expand and contract dynamically. Follow device-specific patch instructions. Once patched, edit the UI config file, config. JSON or an XML to set animation curves, safe zones, and thresholds. Test on a dev image, so you can iterate. You flash the patched image to a test slot and reboot, then trigger live notch animations to observe behavior. Once done, calibrate timing, touch mapping, and dark area masking so gestures and visibility remain accurate, and adjust offsets if the notch overlaps UI elements. After calibration, switch to your main slot when stable. If things go wrong, restore your backup immediately, inspect logcat and dmesk for errors, and reapply the correct kernel patch or driver fix before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.